So here are the chords for pretty much the whole song. I'm going to lay it out in the verse and the chorus. So the first chord is a D chord, first finger, second fret, G, second finger, second fret, E, third finger, third fret, D. And then you're moving to a G chord of sorts, G/F sharp. So you're just going to put this pinky down, so then these two fingers are going to go there. You reach your first finger across to grab the second fret of the big E string. And it's actually cool, and you want to mute that that A string with this finger. And then you switch to a G chord where you're taking your two finger regular G chord, and you're while still muting the string, and you're playing all those strings there. So then this next chord is a B minor type thing, B minor 7. So your first finger on the second fret of the A, and your second finger goes to the second fret of the G, and then the third and fourth fingers, they stay on the third frets of the B and little E. And then actually you don't need that note, that high note, but if you hit it, it's cool. And then you're moving to the last chord here, where your two finger goes over to the D string on the second fret, and you're playing 5 strings. So all of those chords again. Now we're going to talk about the strumming pattern. The D chord gets this, it's a palm muting. And if you want, you can add an upstrum. Let's not worry about an upstrum. But if you want, you can add an upstrum like. So for switching chords, D, F sharp, G, B, A, and that just repeats.